Nation. Hey guys, it's Marco. This is episode 6, how to play balloon ball like a champ. Today we're going to be focusing, this is still the basic section, we'll be focusing on escape techniques, basic ones. So my partner Julius and I, we're going to start with one of your most classic moves. This is the Australian screwdriver. So most escape techniques, a little bit of history built around the Australian screwdriver. What you're going to want to do, trapped up against someone, gotta get past them. Alright, get your balloon ball. Julius here is going to help me buy these at your local Costco. Costco, best products money can buy. So just start with the 4-on-2 lure that we talked about. So 4, then 680 through the legs. Simple as that. So we're going to start slow. 4-on-2 lure, 680 through the legs. Try it again. Practice makes perfect. 4-on-2 lure, 680 through the legs. You're gone. Okay, now let's show them one in real time. Show them one in real time. Alright, ready?